Hi everyone, today video is based on the tutorials of Java that the values of a given triangle forms a scalene triangle or not. So let's get started. Come on, first let's create the class. Oh, okay. Let me change the class name. Scalene triangle 01. Okay, let's open it. Okay, Control A, delete. Okay, first let us type public class scalene triangle 01. Enter. Flavises public static void main. Oh, small p public static space void main. A parenthesis string sorry, square brackets, arguments, args, close parenthesis space, flavises int a equal to 1, sorry, backspace, comma, b equal to 2, comma, c equal to 3. Okay, space, enter. Int if parenthesis a not equal to b not equal to b, modulus and just and b not equal to c, c not equal to a. Okay, there's an error in instead of b there should be c. Right, exactly. Yeah, system.out.println space yeah, your English grammar, right, exactly. It forms a scalene triangle. Oh, there's a glitch. Okay, it's okay. Scalene triangle. Yeah, semicolon. Yeah, next else fluoresces one time, right? Yeah. System.out.println. Okay, let me copy it and paste. Oh, oh, what happens, bro? Wait. Yeah. Copy. Just copy it, bro. I suggest you to copy. If you are so interested in typing, you may copy it. Control C. Yeah, okay. It does not. Okay, it changed to it does not form. It does not form. Okay, don't keep it as it forms such scalene triangle. Or form a scalene triangle. Let me compile it. No syntax errors. Okay. Oh, what was the value? Wait, let me just take it out. Okay, it's A1, B2 and C3. Okay, compile again. Okay, no syntax errors. Okay, let me just check it. Yeah, it's working. It forms a scalene triangle because the values are A equal to 1 and B equal to 2 and C equal to 3. Okay, thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. Bye.